Hello everyone, my name is Huiping Dai. It is a great honor to be here today to present my research, the contemporary transformation of Yangzhou garden culture from the perspective of cultural symbols.
Yangzhou gardens are a crowning jewel of classical Chinese architecture with a history spanning over 2 millennia. They were shaped by the strategic importance of the Grand Canal and the immense wealth of the Ming and Qing dynasty salt merchants. This unique socio-economic background allow Yangzhou gardens to earn the historic reputation, the most splendid gardens under heaven. Because these gardens were often designed to host imperial southern tours, they developed a distinct aesthetic known as southern delicacy meets northern grandeur. While these are recognized as part of China's intangible cultural heritage, they currently face a dilemma. Their public visibility lags behind that of Suzhou gardens, and they struggle with insufficient creative product development. We seek to reveal the specific symbols that distinguish Yangzhou from other classical styles and explore how these can be translated into modern design. Specifically, these are our objectives. 1. To study the historical background, historical development, cultural symbols, architectural elements, landscape features, and cultural values of Yangzhou gardens from past to present. 2. To analyze and compare the distinctive characteristics of Yangzhou gardens' cultural symbols with other classical Chinese gardens and explore the possibility of applying these symbols in contemporary creative product design. To achieve these goals, we adopted a mixed methods approach, combining qualitative and quantitative data to ensure both depth and representativeness. For qualitative research, we conducted 3 in-depth expert interviews and organized a focus group of 11 participants, including designers, scholars, and potential consumers. Furthermore, we performed extensive fieldwork across some representative sites, including Inkuer Garden, He Garden, and Slender West Lake. Through visual documentation and semantic analysis, we identify high recognition cultural symbols. For quantitative research, we designed a formal questionnaire validated by expert evaluation and reliability testing, and collected 400 valid samples from across China. We then applied the analytic hierarchy process, AHP, to quantify consumer preferences and determine the weight of different design indicators. This scientific approach ensures that our design recommendations are backed by market logic. Our core findings are categorized into 3 major areas. First, our research confirms that Yangzhou gardens are a vital component of the Chinese classical system, but with a unique hybrid DNA. The salt merchants' wells provide the material foundation, while the need to host the emperor brought in royal aesthetic standards. Second, we identify 3 critical bottlenecks in current creative efforts. 1. Oversimplification. Most research ignores the deep roots of sword merchant and canal research, causing Yangzhou's identity to be incorrectly grouped as the mere branch of Jiangnan style. 2. Academic marginalization. Compared to Suzhou, Yangzhou gardens are under-researched in the creative sector, leading to a mismatch between their historical status and their modern market reputation. 3. Superficiality. Existing products often stop at surface decoration. They fail to capture the underlying spatial logic, philosophy, and human spirit, which are essential for emotional resonance with the user. Third, through our AHP analysis, we established a hierarchy for design criteria. The priority order is cultural heritage, market adaptability, innovation, functionality. We identify the 5 most preferred symbols by consumers. These symbols can be innovatively applied to everything from home decor and digital art to urban furniture. In conclusion, the value of Yangzhou gardens transcends exquisite craftsmanship. It lies in a rich cultural context of economy, water, and literature. Systematically transforming this symbol is not just about commerce. It is about enhancing public cultural identity and supporting regional creative economy. This research offers 2 core contributions. First, it fills an interdisciplinary gap by applying semiotics to Yangzhou garden studies. It provides an actionable roadmap for heritage activation that balances traditional with market demand. In the future, we plan to develop specific prototype and collaborate with local tourism departments to build a Yangzhou garden cultural symbol database. We believe that by verifying these strategies through real-world application, we can ensure this Asian garden flourish in the digital age. Yangzhou gardens are a living history, and it's also our representative to translate their splendor into a language that the modern world can understand. So we believe that we can develop some product that can make the modern world understand the ancient gardens. Thank you for your time.